angel shark, angel shark. A is for Atlantic spotted dolphin, Atlantic spotted dolphin. B is for beluga whale, beluga whale. B is for blue whale, blue whale. B is for black tip shark, the black tip shark. B is for bull shark, the bull shark. B is for basking shark, the basking shark. C is for carpet shark, carpet shark. C is for common dolphin, common dolphin. D is for dwarf whale, dwarf whale. D is for dogfish shark, dogfish shark. D is for dusky porpoise, the carpet shark. E is for elephant shark, elephant shark. E is for eastern Spaniard dolphin, eastern Spaniard dolphin. F is for fin whale, whale. F is for freckle cat shark, freckle cat shark. F is for false killer whale, false killer whale. G is for Greenland shark, Greenland shark. G is for gray whale, gray whale. G is for great white shark, great white shark. H is for hammerhead shark, H hammerhead shark. H is for heavy-sized dolphin, a heavy-sized dolphin. H is for humpback whale, a humpback whale. Then I is for Isaac cat shark, Isaac cat shark. I is for Irrawaddy dolphin, Irrawaddy dolphin. J is for Japanese bullhead shark, J Japanese bullhead shark. K is for killer whale, killer whale. L is for leopard shark, leopard shark. M is for mako shark, mako shark. N is for monkey whale, monkey whale. N is for nurse shark, nurse shark. N is for narwhal, narwhal. O is for orca, orca. O is for ornate shark, ornate shark. P is for pajama shark, pajama shark. P is for pink dolphin, pink dolphin. P is for pilot whale, pilot whale. P is for porpoise, porpoise. Q is for quadricat shark, quadricat shark. R is for ragged-tooth shark, ragged-tooth shark. S is for saw shark, saw shark. S is for sperm whale, sperm whale. T is for tiger shark, tiger shark. T is for true-beaked whale, true-beaked whale. T is for thresher shark, thresher shark. U is for unicorn fish, unicorn fish. V is for velvet shark, velvet shark. Y is for white dolphin, white dolphin. W is for whale shark, whale shark. Y is for yellow spotted shark, yellow spotted shark. Z is for zebra shark, zebra shark. Under the sea, so much to see, from A to Z in the alphabet C. Exploring the ocean where creatures are found, learning together with